Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I want to quickly show all Pi pioneers how to secure your wallet from scammers and fraudsters that are out there. So there has been a lot of complaint from the Pi community and the pioneers that they've lost their Pi wallet, like all their Pis has been stolen. So some people have even gone as far as accusing the core team that the core team is actually stealing their Pis from their wallet. So this has been a pressing issue for the core team, and it has actually affected the price of Pi, because most of these scammers just scam your Pis and they just go straight and swap it. So it's actually affecting the price of Pi. So the Pi core team has actually developed this two-factor authentication method to help pioneers protect their Pi wallets from scammers. So how this actually works is, once you activate your two-factor authentication on your wallet, it means any transaction that is going to be happening in your wallet, you need to be authenticating it. Like, there will be a code that will be sent to your email, so you use that code to authenticate your transaction. So with that being said, let's go straight to the video. So to actually do this stuff, you would actually need your Pi browser. So the Pi browser that is actually linked to your wallet. So that's actually one of the best browsers to use. So once you open your Pi browser, the next thing you need to do, you need to click on this home button that is at the top center of the Pi browser. So when you click on that home button, it's going to load the URL bar. So you need to go to pinet.website. So I will actually be leaving this URL in the description of this video, and I'll also be displaying it in the front of the screen so for you guys to see. But the URL is actually pinet.website, so you can head on there and do this stuff. The URL is going to be on the description of this video and also displaying on the front of the screen. So this is the homepage for the pinet.website. So once you come here, you can see a lot of utilities that the Pi core team is actually developing. So what we want to activate is the anti-scam. So that's what we want to do for this video. So we'll click on anti-scam, and then it's going to get us to this place now. So when we come to this place, what we need to do, we need to turn on this anti-scam button here to actually activate this anti-scam. So when you turn it on, it's going to make your wallet a semi-custodian wallet. So you need to authenticate every transaction that you're making. So once you make any transaction, let's say a transfer, you need a code that will be sent to your email. So once you get that code, you now complete the transaction. So let's turn on this button. We'll click here and turn on it. It's going to ask us to verify. So we'll click on verify and verify. So here now we need to connect our wallets to the two-factor authentication. So we need to put in our 24-word seed phrase. So I've already copied mine. I'm going to paste it here. Please, I'll be blurring this side because I wouldn't want anybody to see my passphrase. So I put in the phrase and then I press unlock with passphrase. It's going to get us to this place now. So here now is where we need to input our email, the email we want to link to our wallet. So this email is going to be the email we're going to be receiving authentications from. So I'm going to put my email here. So after that, I click on verify email. That is it, guys. We have actually activated the two-factor authentication on our wallet right now. So this means on this my wallet now, anytime I'm trying to make any transaction on this my wallet, I will need to get a code from my email, the email I just filled now. I need to authenticate the transaction. So this way, it's actually going to help reduce fraud and scam that has been happening in Pi network. Like, it's going to be difficult for scammers to actually get hold of your wallet, because of it's going to be difficult for them to get your seed phrase and also get your email logins and password to get a code to authenticate the transaction. So that is it, guys, for this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful videos like this in the future from the Pi core team and also any other crypto communities. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.